Back to Shiba Inu crypto. Elon Musk is tricking us all. Massive Shiba Inu shift ahead. Shib news today. Shiba Inu's price looked like a clear road towards $0.0000738 as the decline started accelerating on the back of the US Federal Reserve and European Central Bank meetings from last week. Traders thought they were done for the year after the eventful week before the Bank of Japan surprised markets on Tuesday and made several G7 currencies shed over 3% against the Japanese yen. That coordinated devaluation of the euro, the US dollar, the pound sterling, and other currencies are synthetically pulling up cryptocurrencies, which are gaining value against these weakening currencies. In this video, we will talk about Elon Musk is tricking us all. Massive Shiba Inu shift ahead. Shib news today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Shiba Inu price was set to continue its steep decline from December and did that with another 4% loss on Monday. Shib price action turned around on Monday, and Shiba Inu bulls are eating up over 3% of the incurred Monday losses, flirting with the chance of paying them back completely. This would be a significant bullish turn if this week's price action could be turned over into a green candle in the weekly chart. Shib thus needs to break higher and preferably above $0.0000900. Once that area is secured and bulls can follow up on this rally, the 55-day simple moving average is an ideal candidate for profit taking near $0.0000972. That would mean an 18% price increase could be in the cards for this week by Christmas. The issue for the bulls comes as markets could be in for a negative surprise, as most all-tail risks for 2022 will be ongoing into 2023. Central banks have not been able to bring inflation back down substantially, nor has the conflict in Ukraine ended, and the European Union is still struggling with its energy supplies. All these elements will still put bearish pressure and could push Shiba Inu's price back towards $0.0000738. The much-anticipated Shiba Inu countdown has ended, but its outcome isn't the Shibarium upgrade as many had hoped it would be. A few days back, a mysterious countdown appeared on the official Shib website, making the community speculate what it may lead to. Many users suggested that the announcement could be related to the upcoming Shibarium upgrade for the meme coin. The upcoming Shibarium scaling solution will improve the Shib ecosystem's efficiency and provide cheaper and faster transactions to the users. The network will run on a proof-of-stake consensus system much like its Layer 1 Ethereum. This means that Shiba Inu holders can stake some coins and become a validator on the chain once the Layer 2 solution is live. However, although investors hoped that the countdown could be a build-up to the much-hyped Shibarium, the announcement turned out to be only an update for the official website. Some community members took to Twitter and expressed their displeasure about the reveal, causing developers to come out and address the situation. Shitoshi Kusama, the lead developer of the project, apologized to the Shib followers, noting that the dev fully understands how the countdown might have been misleading. Although not in control of that, I apologize for any confusion. Stay tuned, said Kusama. Trophius, a team member that worked on the Shib website, commented, "We understand some may be upset as you were expecting an update on the much-anticipated Shibarium. Realistically, we can't launch everything at once." Trophius had only a couple of days ago hinted that the countdown's reveal would be the website update, as the dev had tweeted. "First thing is to update our main website. It was much needed, and this is our first step as we march towards Shibarium's beta launch." While Shiba Inu holders may be disappointed about the reveal, there have nonetheless been some positive news for them recently. Shib was one of the 3 most watched cryptocurrencies on Binance in 2022. The massive popularity of Shiba Inu cannot be denied, as Shiba joined the 2 hegemonic blockchains as one of the 3 most watched crypto assets in 2022, according to Binance. The Shiba token is already a massive factor in the crypto ecosystem, as evidenced by the large reserves of Shib by centralized exchanges, which reflect users' holdings. According to CoinMarketCap data, Shib accounts for nearly $500 million of Binance's reserves, nearly $300 million of Crypto.com's, and more than $36 million of KuCoin's. As a rule, the Shiba token is one of the top holdings on any major CEX after excluding BTC and ETH, and in some instances, the native token of the exchange. The Shiba team isn't content with the meme coin being a popular but passive asset. As BSC News has reported, the community is bracing for the impending arrival of the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain, which will be the backbone of the Shiba ecosystem and include an exchange, metaverse, NFT GameFi, DAO, etc. It took over 40 hours, but Elon Musk has finally acknowledged the results of a public poll he ran, calling for him to step down as CEO of Twitter. "I will resign as CEO as soon as I find someone foolish enough to take the job," Musk tweeted on Tuesday night. "After that, I will just run the software and servers team." The admission comes after a poll Musk himself launched, in which some 17 million Twitter users, or 57.5% of those polled, said they were in favor of Musk resigning. Musk did not immediately accept the results publicly, which he said he'd do, but rather cast doubt on the poll's validity. It wasn't just anonymous Twitter users who wanted Musk to step down. Outside investors also called for Musk to focus less on Twitter and more on Tesla. They've seen the Twitter drama distract Musk from his more lucrative business at Tesla, which saw its stock price fall precipitously in recent weeks. Musk has long said he eventually wanted to step down as Twitter CEO, so it's unclear why he seemed so unwilling to accept the results of the poll calling for him to end his chaotic reign as head of the company. Rather than commenting on the results of the poll in hours after it concluded, Musk took to Twitter on Monday morning. It encouraged questions about whether the results were legitimate. He engaged in a Twitter thread by a user suggesting that a deep state bot army was rigging the poll against him. Musk replied to another user in the same thread who suggested that only paid subscribers to Twitter Blue should be able to vote in polls. He said, "Twitter will make that change." Polls have been a favorite tactic in Musk's erratic leadership style for making major decisions at Twitter. When he polled users about whether Twitter should reinstate the account of former US President Donald Trump, for example, Musk quickly accepted the results that were narrowly in favor of bringing Trump back on. Hours after the poll closed, Musk tweeted that "the people have spoken" and reinstated Trump's account. This time, though, Musk dragged his feet. On Tuesday, Musk replied to a tweet by market research firm HarrisX, which conducted its poll and found that 61% wanted Musk to stay on. Musk had complained about Twitter bots before he bought the platform. At that time, he tried to use the platform's bot problem as an excuse to get out of the deal. But since he took over, Musk said he'd wipe Twitter of excessive bots. It was then confusing that he would run a poll on Twitter about the fate of his own leadership if he didn't have complete confidence in its validity. But again, it was always part of Musk's plan to find a replacement CEO for Twitter eventually. In November, he told a Delaware court, "I expect to reduce my time at Twitter and find somebody else to run Twitter over time." Part of what seems to be holding Musk back, however, is that he saw no good replacement. "No one wants the job who can actually keep Twitter alive. There is no successor," tweeted Musk on Sunday. Then, on Tuesday, he replied with laughing emojis at a recent NBC story reporting that he's actively looking for a new CEO. So, after he created an artificial deadline to do something he already wanted, Musk seems ready to take the next step. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.